Hey there, it's Tom Corson-Knowles. In this video, I want to share with you a new tool we just added to Bestseller Ranking Pro that is pretty amazing. It's called the Sales Rank Calculator. Now, what it does is you can take any bestseller ranking on Amazon for ebooks or print books and type in that Amazon bestseller ranking number into the calculator, and it will tell you exactly how many sales per month or how many sales you need in one day to hit that sales ranking. Now, when you browse the category pages inside of Bestseller Ranking Pro, it's already going to show you this data for the number 1 book, the 20th book, and the 100th book in each of those categories. But if you want to do it for, let's say, the number 3 book or the number 5 spot in a category, or if you want to do some market research, some competitive research, see how many books your competitors are selling, this Sales Rank Calculator can allow you to do that really quickly, really easily. So let me just demo it for you right here. So you just type in the sales rank number, let's say 1341, and just hit calculate monthly sales, and it'll tell you how many sales you need per month or how many sales you need per day to hit that sales ranking. Now, make sure you select the right book type. So if you're looking at Kindle ebook categories, you're going to want to select the ebook book type. If you're looking at print or paperback categories, you're going to want to look at the book categories, and those numbers will change because the competitiveness is different between ebook categories and print physical book categories. So it's just a new tool we added to Bestseller Ranking Pro. We're constantly trying to add new tools like this that are valuable, that will help you do your job of market research and analysis and get your book to bestseller on Amazon and make that whole process just a whole lot easier, quicker, and simpler for you. So I hope you love the Sales Rank Calculator. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to reach out and let us know. We're here to help. Wishing you an incredible day. Talk soon.